Hold on, where did my 11,000 rupees go in 10 days? If you've ever had a shock like this, then you've clicked on the right video because today I'm going to break down a trap we've laid out for ourselves. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to escape it. Today, UPI processes 85 crore transactions daily, which is more than Visa. Which means we literally beat the global payment giant in less than 10 years. Wait, let me show you how insane this growth actually is. In August 2016, UPI processed 93,000 transactions worth 3 crore rupees. 9 years later, in August 2025, UPI processed 20 billion transactions worth 25 lakh crore in just 1 month. Now that's a growth curve that most financial products can only dream of. And guess what? इस सक्सेस स्टोरी में आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. कैसे? Because of your midnight Zomato orders and your 20 rupee chai breaks at work. They're all a part of the biggest money movement in human history. Now that we've established that UPI is our biggest success story, here's what most of y'all don't realize. Research across numerous studies confirm that people consistently spend more with digital payments than with cash. And this is what I call the UPI spending trap. The invisible money leak that is making us broke, and we've only got ourselves to blame. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it's happening, why your brain can't stop it, and what you can do about it. The virtual wallet. Let me take you back to 2010. Your parents give you 300 rupees cash as pocket money for the week. You count it, you feel it, and you fold it carefully into your wallet to spend during the week. अब आता है मंडे और आप 40 रुपए का लंच करते हो और उसके साथ 10 रुपए की पेप्सी भी लेते हो. अगले दिन you spend 30 rupees on an ice cream and another 20 rupees on chips. And on Wednesday, you go for a movie with your friends and spend 80 rupees for the ticket and 70 rupees on popcorn. Now, what's different here is that at every step you physically hand over the cash, and on Thursday morning, you check your wallet and see that you have only 50 rupees left. Now you feel that you're running out of money, so you become careful. On Friday after school, you skip that extra snack and you think twice before you spend 10 rupees on that Pepsi. See what's happening here? This is what scientists call the payment transparency. It's when money is tangible or physical. You can count it, feel it, and watch it leave you when you buy something. But today, in 2025, money isn't something you can count or feel. It's a number you see on your mobile screen. Like say you have 10,000 rupees in your bank account at the start of the month. The week starts and you wake up late on Monday, so you couldn't pack your lunch. No problem at all, because you can order a salad at work for just 350 rupees और आपको बस अपना UPI पिन एंटर करना है. काम के बाद आपको चल के घर नहीं जाना, तो क्या हुआ? Just book an auto for 60 rupees, enter your UPI pin and done. Later at night, you open your instant delivery app to order some milk for the next day and you notice a flash sale. So now you overorder what you think you need and pay the 2,000 rupees through UPI. Now, after a few more spends like these throughout the week, you check your balance on Sunday and you're still left with, wait, what? 600 bucks only? How did this happen? You see, cash forces your brain to physically count and hand over money, and that action creates what behavioral economists call the pain of pain. Basically, when you hand over 100 rupees in cash, the part of your brain that processes pain and distress actually lights up because it identifies the act of pain as something close to pain, which means you literally feel pain when spending cash. But online payment के साथ आप physically कुछ handover नहीं करते, which means for your brain it is much more convenient to spend without any guilt. Let me show you the real math behind your harmless chai coffee habit. During work hours, your chai or coffee breaks along with the snack would cost you 150 rupees a day for 22 working days. So your total micro spends just during work is roughly 3,300 rupees monthly. मजे की बात तो ये है कि अगर आप उस 3,300 rupees का SIP करेंगे तो in 10 years you will have more than 7.5 lakh rupees. But the bigger question is how to fix that impulse buying. Why can't you stop? I know it's difficult, especially because the world around us is a 24/7 temptation machine. Earlier, if you would have been hungry at 1 a.m., you would have either gone to check your fridge and most likely slept after the disappointment of finding nothing. But now, you have Zomato, Swiggy, Zepto, and whatnot to make you spend another 350 rupees or more in a single day. On top of these, faster payments often numb that brain receptor which was earlier giving you the pain of spending. The subscription black hole. Okay, quick question. How many of your subscriptions are on autopay right now? Let me guess. Netflix, Prime, Spotify, Google One or iCloud and some more? That's roughly 1,500 rupees a month. And in a year, that's about 18,000 rupees. Auto UPI makes these subscriptions background noise and they become invisible. You completely forget they exist until your balance starts screaming. When was the last time you cancelled even one? Yeah, never. The solution. Okay, अब एक लंबी सांस लो क्योंकि हम ये प्रॉब्लम फिक्स करेंगे. Step 1. Reviewing current subscriptions. You won't believe how easy it is to review and cancel the subscriptions you don't need. Just go to your UPI app, tap on your profile where you will clearly see an option called Autopay. Click on it and there you go. आपकी सारी subscription यहाँ आ जाएगी जो भी आपने उस UPI app से ली है. Review each one of them and जो भी आपको ज़रूरी ना लगे, just pause it or cancel it there. Step 2. The visibility hack. Download last month's UPI statement from your most used UPI app. Open ChatGPT, attach the file and just put this ready-made prompt we made for you in the chat to analyze your spending and get some interesting feedback on it. Check the description to copy it. Go through every single miscellaneous transaction और मैं आपको guarantee देती हूँ कि over 40% will be worthless spends that you could have avoided. And that's your lead. UPI is here to stay. See, UPI isn't evil. It's our brain which needs to learn dealing with digital money. The very reason why so many people default on their credit card bills. If this gave you perspective, if this made you think, hit the subscribe button. We're out here talking about saving and growing your hard-earned money. No BS, no agenda. Just knowledge that helps you. And don't forget to check your last month's UPI statement. We would love to hear in the comments how the prompt helped you. Alright, see you in the next one. Stay smart out there.